According to Franklin D. Roosevelt, we cannot always build the future for our youth, but we can build our youth for the future. The youth of today is the hope of our society. The youth will be the future leader. The youth of today are going to review and refresh the current status of our society, including leadership, motivation, innovation, skill, and etc. Youth is the future of the society. The youth generation simply needs to renew, refresh, and maintain the current status of the society. Our youth of today will promote our culture, will be the key to the development of our culture someday. It's also to support our society and